Alright. Here's the Broan Europa. Europa, I think. I don't know. So here it is. I'm going to do a video. Alright, this is the best I could do to get even near it without breaking it. I don't even think I could reach it. We'll try though. Alright, there it goes. And I'm small, so there it is on the mirror. Last time I did a video of this fan, it was all running on high, but now I'm going to do it on all speeds. I'm going to try. Alright, or at least go to medium. I don't know. I really hope they don't replace this fan. It's like my favorite fan in the house. Zoom in. Alright, and then I'll try to reach. Oh, I totally could have broken that right there. Alright. Medium. You know, that's the only thing I'm really going to do. Medium. Or I'll do low. I don't know. Motor is slowly spinning. So, yeah. Alright, that's it for the fan in here. Hope you enjoy, and bye.